First question, first one, most of the students will probably just go ahead and solve the problem. 16 men and 14 women, 16 men and 14 women can complete a work in 15 days. 16 men and 14 women can complete a work in 15 days. 40 men plus 35 women, they can complete a work in how many days? Directly, some students will take cannot be determined. Why? Because two variables, two equations are required. Not necessarily. Sometimes if they are direct or inverse proportion, you will get it. And another thing is, now see, there is also one more mistake which they will do. 16m 4 by W. All you have to do is just check the ratios, sir. If the ratios of these men and women coefficient, somewhere you will get an idea. 16 by 40, 8 2s are 8 5s are, 14 by 35, 7 2s are 7 5s are, 7 2s are 7 5s are. Are you all with me? So these nothing but ratios are same. Check the coefficients of men and women. If the ratios are same, you will get these idea. These nothing but 16 into 2.5. 16 2s are 32, 8 by 16. So into 2.5 into 2.5. If I take this one as people, if I take this one as people became 2.5 times. Men and days, people and days are inversely proportional. Don't do into 2.5 and take the answer as 37.5. These also incorrect. People and days are inversely proportional. People and days are inversely proportional. People became into 2.5. Days also will become by 2.5. So these are nothing but 15 into 10 by 25. 5 2s are 5 5s are. 5 2s are 5 5s are. So these are nothing but 5 1s are. Answer is 6 days. Answer is 6 days. Before solving, check the ratios of the coefficients of the elements given in the question. 16 40, 2 is to 5. So 14 35, 7 2s are 7 5s are. Ratio is same. So multiplication factor will be 40 by 16, which is 2.5. First question, very good question in and related problems. I hope don't do. People and days are inversely proportional to each other. If people it is 2 times, days will be half. If people it is 4 times, days will be 1 by 4. They are inversely proportional. Next one. Next question. See here, sir. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. This is a CAT replica question. Most of the students solved it in 2 minutes, but I will try to solve the problem in 5 to 10 seconds if you understand the catch in the question. If you understand the catch, 22 men and 19 women, 22 men and 19 women. See here, sir. Listen carefully, sir. All the varieties of and or we will discuss. 22 men and 19 women can complete a work in 12 days. Can complete a work in 12 days. 13 men and 15 women can complete a work in 18 days. Can complete a work in 18 days. 9 men and 4 women can complete the work in how many days? Can complete the work in how many days? Now if you see here, if I call these as A alone can complete the work in how many days? If this is B alone, are you all with me? Can I say these nothing but A and B together? Are you all with me? A and B together. 13 plus 9 is 22. 14 plus 15 is 19. So answer is nothing but 12 and 18, 36 units. Together it is doing 3 units. B alone it is doing 2 units. Answer is nothing but 36 days. Answer is nothing but 36 days. 9 men and 4 women. Consider it as some people. 13 men and 15 people. Consider it as some value. If I A alone and B alone, 9 plus 13 it is 22. 4 plus 15, it is 19. So answer is nothing but A and B together. 9 plus 13 is 22. 4 plus 15, it is 19. So these are nothing but 36 days. If A alone, it is 36 days. B alone, it is 18 days. Together only will give me 12 days. Are you all with me? A beautiful question, sir. Now we will do some more questions based on this question. I hope you understood the catch in the question. Now one more question. 2 men and 5 boys. 2 men and 5 boys. It is 2 men and 5 boys. 40 days. 7 men and 9 boys. 9 men and 14 boys. How many days? 9 men and 14 boys. How many days? Let this be the people. Let that people be A. These A alone. These nothing but B alone. A alone can complete the work in 40 days. B alone can complete the work in 60 days. 2 plus 7, it is 9 men. 5 plus 9, it is 14 boys. A and B together, how many days it will take? Same question. 40 and 60, work is 120 units divided by 3 units per day and 2 units per day. So answer is 24 days. Answer is 24 days. Are you all with me? Answer is 24 days. It's all about knowing the smartness in the question, and it's all about listening to many classes and being a part of my video course, which will help you to look at the question through a different prism. I hope it is clear. One more question. One more question. 8 men plus 13 boys. These 80 days. 80 days. 5 men and 7 boys. It is 20 days. 20 days. Click on the like button if you are enjoying the shortcut, sir. 3 men and 6 boys. How many days? Immediately it should strike you. 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 plus 6 is 13. That means this together. This is the question of A and B together. This is the question of A alone, and this is the question of B alone. How will you do? If it is alone and together, it is given 80. Total work is 80 units. So this will give you, right? So alone it is 20 and 80. 20, or we will do the reverse, 80 and 20. Otherwise a negative work will come, 20. That also is right answer. It is nothing but it is doing a minus work. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. So it is nothing but 80 by 3 days. 26.66 days. Beautiful question. Anil Nayar's way of solving the question. I hope the idea it is clear. Idea it is clear, right? So just you have to see the question, sir. The root cause of the question will be somewhere visible to you. So if it is 80, I will get negative unnecessarily. Some more definitions I have to do it. Obviously, if the people are increasing, it will do less number of days. So these 20 days and it is 80 days. 4 minus 1. I hope the idea it is clear. If together if they are doing more number of days, that means somewhere there is a negative work that is happening. Question number 2. Unfortunately, all these are not there in your regular textbook. Question problem. Various flavors of solving the question. Idea it is clear. So people and days are inversely proportional to each other. Next, third question. Third one. See here. 6 men and 8 men can complete a work in 10 days. 6 men and 8 men can complete a work in 10 days. 26 men and 48 women can complete the work in 2 days. Can complete the work in 2 days. People increased the number of days to. It is 15 men and 20 women. 15 men and 20 women can complete the work in how many days? Now again see here. Don't forget to see the ratios. Once the ratio of the coefficients it is same, somewhere you will get the idea. 6 by 15, 2 is to 5, 8 is to 20, 2 is to 5. So it is into 2.5. Second equation, we don't even need it. People became 2.5. So days will become 10 by 2.5. So answer is 10 by 5 by 2. 20 by 5. Answer is nothing but, answer is 6 men and 8 men into 2.5. I think it is 15 men. Definitely 6 men and 8 men. All the answer options, somewhere other answer options are written. Answer is 4 days. Answer is 4 days. We will also check whether it is 4 days or not by using an traditional method. I hope the approach is clear. 6 men and 8 men. Now 1 minute. 6 men and 8 men can complete a work in 10 days. 6 into 2.5 15. 8 into 2.5 20. 10 divided by 2.5. 20 by 4 4 days. It cannot be any of these answers. Why? Because 6 men and 8 men can complete a work in 10 days. People are increasing. Some typo mistake. People are increasing. If people are increasing, number of days to require the work decreases. So answer will be less than 10. Some typo mistake. Answer is 4 days. Answer is 4 days. Method number 2. Method number 2. I will also prove it to you why it is 4 days. So what is the concept that we are using? People into days equivalent to work. People into days, or people means unnecessarily there will be a confusion if I take men into days. So I am doing. So first people, 6 men and 8 men. They are doing some work in 10 days into 10. The same work is done by 26 men and 48 women. They are doing the same work in how many days? 2 days. So these is nothing but 60 men and 80 women. They are doing work equivalent to 52 men and 96 women. So these is nothing but 8m equivalent to 16w. 8m equivalent to 16w. So m by w, it is nothing but 2 by 1. It is nothing but 2 by 1. So m by w, it is nothing but 2 by 1. Work is in 2, work will be in 2 units. If men does 2 units, women does 1 unit. Men does 2 units, women does 1 unit. Now 6 men and 8 men, they can complete the work in 10 days. The same, this equation in how many days? 15 men and 20 women. 15 men and 20 women can complete the work. Now here only you will get the answer, sir. 10 into 2 into 3m plus 4w. Are you all with me? It is nothing but 5 into 3m plus 4w. These cancel. 20 by 5. Answer is nothing but 4. Answer is nothing but 4. I hope the idea it is clear. So you don't need to do all this and waste your time. You can go by checking the ratio constant method. I hope the idea it is clear. Sir, what if the ratio is not constant? Then I will tell you the approach and problems. I hope the logic it is clear. Now 2 men and 3 boys can complete a work in 20 days. Can complete a work in 20 days. 4 men and 5 boys can complete a work in 12 days. Can complete a work in 12 days. 7 men and 8 boys can complete the work in how many days? No, nothing, it is not satisfying. 2 plus 4 is 6, it is 7. A alone, B alone, it is not satisfying. 4 into 1.75, it is 7. 5 into 1.75, it is not 7. This is the third flavor of and related problems. People into days, it is nothing but work. People into days, it is nothing but work. People, it is 2 men and 3 boys into days. The same work is done by 4 men and 5 boys into 12. Into 12. Now see here, these are nothing but 40 men plus 60 boys. It is equivalent to 48 men plus 60 boys. Plus 60 boys. Good question, wantedly I gave this question. Now if you see here, 60b cancel. So that means 12 men and 10 women. 12 men and 10 women. 12 men and 10 women can complete a work in 14 days. Exam question, sir. 49 men and 56 women can complete a work in 3 days. 42 men and 35 women can complete a work in how many days? Now see here, 12 by 42 and 10 by 35. 5 2s are 5 7s are, 6 2s are 6 7s are. Ratio it is matching. That means if it is matching, that means there is a common 12 into 30 into 3.5. 12 into 35, 42 men, 10 into 35. So answer is 14 by 3.5. These 14 by 7 by 2. Answer is 4 days. Answer is 4 days. Answer is 4 days. Actually, this is a CAT replica question, sir. Most of the students will waste their time doing the equation people into days equivalent to work. That is not at all required. So if you understand it, the problem will be very, very easy. Any and problem? Now let us see. 9 men and 5 women. Anything which is little dicey, I am not interested in teaching. 5 men and 9 women. It is nothing but 27 days. 27 days. It is nothing but 27 days. Now if I add it, 14 men and 14 women, it is nothing but, so these nothing but days is 1 by 15 and 1 by 27. Are you all with me? So in one day how much work will be done? M plus W into 14, it is nothing but 15 and 27, 135. These nothing but 15 9s are 135, 27 5s are 135. So 14 into M plus W, it is nothing but 14 by 135. 14 cancel. Men and women in one day they will do 1 by 135. I require in 12 men and women, 12 into 1 by 135. So in one day they will do 12 by 135. So total they will do 135 by 12. These are nothing but 345s are 135, 3 4s are 12. Answer is 11 1 by 4. I hope the approach it is clear. My people into days equivalent to work is a very dicey process. 9 men and 5 women can complete a work in 15 days. In one day it will do 1 by 15th of the work. 5 men and 9 women can complete a work in 27 days. In one day it will do 1 by 27. In one day it will do 1 by 1 by 27. Add it, 14M plus 14W. In one day together they will do 1 by 15 plus 1 by 27. So 14 cancel. In one day they will do 1 by 135. In 12, if there are 12 men and 12 women, it is 12 by 135 or 135 by, in one day it is 12 by 135. Total it is 135 by 12, which is 45 by 4, which is 11 1 by 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Interchange of the coefficients. Let us do one more question. 3 men or 7 boys can complete a work in 20 days. Can complete a work in 20 days. 7 men, sorry, it is and right. 7 men and 3 boys. 7 men and 3 boys. 7 men and 3 boys. They can complete the work in 30 days. They can complete the work in 30 days. 12 men and 12 boys. 12 men and 12 boys. they can complete the work in how many days? So if I add it, I will get 3m, 7m, 3m plus 7m, 10. 10 into m plus b. In one day, it will do 1 by 20. In one day, it will do 1 by 30. It is 60. These 3 plus 2. It is 5 by 60. 5 by 60, which is 1 by 12. So, m plus b, men and a boy, in one day it will do 1 by 120. So, in 12 days it will be 12 days. One day it is 1 by 120. So, total it will do 120 units into 12. Into 12. I hope the idea it is clear. 1 man or 2 men or 3 boys. 44 divided by and by r. 1 by 1, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. 44 into 13 6 divided by 11. Answer is 24. Answer is 24. I hope it is clear, right? Or you can also go by percentage method. That also I will discuss, sir. See here. 1 man can complete a work in 44 days. 1 day it is 1 by 44, close to 2%. 2 women can complete a work in 44 days. 1 woman will complete a work in 88 days. These people and days into 2, it is into 1 by 2 into 2. I hope it is clear. 3 boys can complete a work in 44 days. These 1 boy can complete a work in 1 by 132. 1 by 132. 1 by 132 is point something. These 1 by 88 is 1 plus something. Answer should be 3 point very close to 4. Very close to 4. So, these nothing but exact 4. It is not possible. It is 2 plus 1, 3. It is not possible. 20 days it is not possible. 1 man is 2%, 1 woman is 1%, 2 plus 1 is 3%, and it is nothing but close to 0.8%. Answer is coming close to 4%. These out, these out, these out. So, these also can be done. I hope the idea it is clear. I will do some more problems so that you will get an idea of how to use percentage. See here. 2 men or 3 boys can complete a work in 60 days. Can complete a work in 60 days. 1 man and 1 boy can complete a work in how many days? What is our method number 1? Days divided by and by r. 60 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 60 divided by 5 by 6, which is 360 by 5. Answer is nothing but 72. They will complete it in 72 days. Now listen carefully. What is that I am telling? Method 2. 2 men can complete a work in 60 days. 1 man is becoming half. This will be 120 days. Are you all with me? 3 boys can complete a work in 60 days. 1 boy, it will become 1 by 180. 1 by 180. These nothing but 1 by 120 and these nothing but 1 by 180. Are you all with me? So, 1 by 180. Take an LCM. So, these nothing but 360, 3 plus 2. Or you can do percentages also. 1 by 12 is 8.33. 1 by 10 is 0.08. 8.33 by 0.8. 333333. So, these is nothing but into 10. It is nothing but 0.8%. 1 by 18. 1 by 9 is 5.55. 0.5. From there you can check it out. Answer should be just close to 1.3%. 72. 1 by 72. So, from there you can check it out. 1 by 72 is close to 1.3%. I hope the idea it is clear. People into days. People into days. It is work. Please don't do this mistake. People become K. days will become 1 by k, days will become 1 by k, people become 1 by k, days will become k. Don't do this mistake, sir. 6 men can do a work in 80 days, 80 days. 2 men can do a work in how many days? It is by 3, it is into 1 by 3. Men is 1 by 3, days will be into 3. Answer is 240. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? Suppose 20 men, 60 days, 120 days, how many men? See here, days is becoming into 2, men will become half, 10 men. Use the same logic to solve the question. Use the same logic to solve the question.